again, and here's the thing. To the people who keep saying racist jury, you're missing my point. It's not about the jury. It's not about the jury. See, that's why the brother right here, Eddie Williams, you missed my whole point, brother. It's not about the jury, brother. My brother, it's about getting it on the record. Listen to what I said. In the trial, you get shit on the record. Even I don't care if I got a racist jury. I don't give a shit about that.
Michelle Swanson in the building.
And that's what happened. This America, Jack.
Become a member today.
I want to get this on the record. Yeah. So now when I come for the appeal, all this shit is on the record in the court books, man. This is why I be telling y'all, I think on a whole different level. My mind process information at a different stratosphere than these other cats. They don't be thinking, man. And I ain't even go to law school. I just study. I study. And I ain't even go to law school.